Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of people saying that Apple is not making good changes anymore? Well, today we have some amazing news that will prove them wrong. We are going to talk about the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4. What we will talk about today. In this video, we will tell you everything about this new watch. We will discuss its beautiful thinner design, the amazing new Touch ID feature, and the faster chips inside. We will also talk about the battery, the delayed blood sugar feature, and its expected price. Please support our channel. Before we start exploring all these amazing details, please do us a quick favor. Hit that like button if you love tech news, and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss any future updates. Looking back at the Ultra series. The Apple Watch Ultra series has always been a powerful device. It was made for people who love big screens, strong bodies, and long battery life. Over the years, it has become the top choice for people who want the best smartwatch. The problem with big watches. Even though the Ultra watch is amazing, it has one small problem. Many people feel that it is a little too thick and heavy on the wrist. Wearing a very thick watch all day and night can sometimes feel uncomfortable for normal users. The thinner design of Ultra 4. Apple has finally listened to this problem and is making a change. The new Apple Watch Ultra 4 is going to get a much cleaner and nicer look. Apple is planning to make the watch body about 10% thinner than the older models. A better and bigger screen. Making the watch thinner is not the only physical change. The black borders around the screen will also become much smaller. This means you will get a bigger, brighter display without making the actual watch any bigger or heavier. Wearing it comfortably all day. Because the watch will be thinner, it will feel much better on your arm. You can wear it to the gym, to your office, or even while sleeping. It will look very stylish without grabbing too much unnecessary attention. Why battery life is important. When a watch becomes thinner, people worry about the battery getting smaller. Battery life is the most important thing for anyone who buys an Ultra watch. Nobody wants to charge their smartwatch multiple times a day. Battery power stays the same. You do not need to worry about the battery on the Ultra 4. Do not expect a huge jump in battery life, but do not expect it to drop either. Apple is very happy with how long the current Ultra battery lasts right now. Consistent power for your day. The power will stay exactly the same as the older models. This means you will still get the solid, multi-day battery life you already know and trust. Apple is focusing on making the watch smarter instead of just making the battery heavier. What is the action button? Let us talk about the famous action button on the side of the watch. This special button lets you start a workout or turn on a flashlight instantly. It is very popular, but Apple is about to make it much better. The new Touch ID rumor. The most exciting rumor right now is about this action button. Reports say that Apple wants to put a fingerprint scanner inside it. This means the action button will soon have a Touch ID sensor built right into it. How Touch ID will help you. Think about how easy this will make your life. You will be able to unlock your watch simply by placing your finger on the button. You will no longer need to type a passcode on a small screen ever again. Paying for things is now easy. Touch ID will also change how you buy things at stores. When you use Apple Pay, you can just tap your finger to confirm the payment safely. It is a very fast, secure, and modern way to use your smartwatch. Leaving your phone at home. With Touch ID, your watch becomes more independent. You will not need your iPhone nearby to unlock secure apps or confirm important actions. Your fingerprint will be the only key you need for your daily tasks. What are the inside chips? A smartwatch is basically a small computer on your wrist. To make it work fast, it needs good chips inside its body. Apple is planning to completely upgrade the internal brain of the Ultra 4. The new S12 speed chip. The Ultra 4 will come with a brand new chip called the S12. This new processor will make the watch run super fast and very smooth. Every time you open an app or swipe the screen, it will instantly quicker. What is the C2 satellite chip? Apple is also adding another brand new chip called the C2. This special chip is designed only to handle satellite connections. If you are far away from the city with no mobile signals, this chip will save you sending messages without signals. With the new C2 chip, satellite messages will be much faster and smoother. You can easily contact emergency services if you are lost in a jungle or on a mountain. It makes the watch a true safety tool for travelers. Health features on Apple Watches. Apple Watches are famous for keeping track of your health. They can check your heart rate, your sleep, and your steps every single day. People love these watches because they act like a tiny doctor on your wrist. The dream of blood sugar tracking. For many years, people have been waiting for a blood sugar checking feature. This would help people check their sugar levels without needing to use needles. It is the most requested health feature in the world right now. Why we have to wait longer? Sadly, this amazing feature is not coming to the Ultra 4. Right now, the technology they are testing is only 70% to 80% correct. When it comes to human health, a wrong reading can be very dangerous. Apple wants perfect results. Apple has a strict rule for health features on their devices. They will not release the blood sugar feature until it is 100% perfect and medically safe. Because of this, we will have to wait a little bit longer. When will the Ultra 4 release? So, when can you actually buy this new watch? The Apple Watch Ultra 4 is expected to be released in September of 2026. This is the normal time of year when Apple always announces their big new products. The expected price for Ultra 4. The best news about this watch is the expected price. According to the current leaks, the price will stay exactly the same as the older models. Apple is not planning to make it more expensive. No extra money needed. This is a great decision by the company for its customers. You get a thinner design, Touch ID, and faster chips without paying extra money. It gives you real daily value for the same premium price. Should you upgrade your watch? Now the big question is, should you buy this when it comes out? If you have a normal standard Apple Watch, this will be an absolute game changer. The bigger screen and Touch ID alone make it a massive upgrade. Advice for Ultra 2 and 3 owners. However, if you already have an Ultra 2 or an Ultra 3, you should think twice. You might not feel the urgent need to buy this new one right away. You should only upgrade if you really want that thinner design and extra security. Final thoughts on the Ultra 4. In the end, Apple is clearly making smart, slow changes to their best watch. They are not trying to change everything at once and ruin it. They are just making a great watch slightly better, faster, and much safer to use. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching this complete update on the Apple Watch Ultra 4. We hope you liked learning about all these simple and exciting details. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.